Hello, discover how modern cars are built inside automobile factories. In this video, we explain the complete car manufacturing process step by step from stamping and robotic welding to painting, assembly, quality inspection, and testing. Learn how raw steel becomes a fully finished vehicle using advanced automation, robotics, precision engineering, and quality control systems. Topics covered: press shop, stamping, body shop welding, paint shop, assembly line, vehicle testing and inspection, quality control systems. Have you ever wondered how a modern car is built? From flat metal sheets to a fully finished vehicle, millions of parts come together through advanced robotics, automation, and engineering precision. Today, we will explore the complete car manufacturing process step by step, including stamping, welding, painting, assembly, and final testing inside an automobile factory. 1. Stamping process. Press shop. The first stage of car manufacturing is called the press shop or stamping process. Large coils of steel or aluminum sheets are fed into massive hydraulic presses. These powerful machines shape the metal into different vehicle body parts such as doors, roofs, fenders, hoods, and side panels. Each press uses specially designed dies to create accurate shapes with high precision. Modern factories use automated robotic handling systems to move panels quickly and safely between machines. 2. Body shop, welding process. After stamping, the metal panels move to the body shop. Here, hundreds of robotic arms weld the parts together to create the vehicle's frame structure. This unfinished metal body is known as the body in white. Robots perform spot welding, laser welding, and structural joining with incredible accuracy. These systems ensure strength, safety, and dimensional accuracy of the vehicle body. Advanced sensors continuously monitor weld quality during production. 3. Paint shop process. The welded body now enters the paint shop. First, the body undergoes deep cleaning and chemical treatment to remove dust, oil, and impurities. Then the car body is dipped in anti-corrosion coatings to protect it from rust. After that, robotic spray systems apply multiple paint layers, primer coat, color coat, and finally a clear protective top coat. The painted body then passes through high-temperature baking ovens for drying and curing. This process gives the car its glossy finish and long-lasting durability. 4. Final assembly, trim and chassis. Next comes the final assembly stage, where the vehicle starts becoming a complete car. The chassis, suspension, braking system, steering system, engine, and transmission are installed carefully. This process is often called the marriage stage because the vehicle body and powertrain are joined together. Workers and robots then install electrical wiring, dashboard, seats, airbags, glass windows, lighting systems, and interior trim components. Fluids like engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and fuel are added before initial startup. Engine installation, transmission assembly, dashboard fitting, wiring harness, interior assembly. 5. Inspection and testing, quality control. Before delivery, every vehicle undergoes strict quality inspection and testing. Electronic diagnostic systems check all sensors, modules, and control units. The vehicle then passes through wheel alignment testing, brake testing, headlight alignment, suspension checks, and water leak testing. Many factories also perform dynamometer tests to simulate real road driving conditions. Finally, trained inspectors carefully examine paint quality, panel gaps, interior finish, and overall vehicle performance before the car is approved for shipment. And that is how modern automobiles are manufactured using advanced technology and precision engineering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive and engineering content.